Hey there guys, it's Joel here from Aussie Chart Trends. Today we're going to take a look at a stock called Newcrest Mining, and that stock code is NCM. If you'd like to pop past my website, also at aussiecharttrends.com.au, I regularly feature articles there on the website there, and feel free to browse around the website. Before we get into today's update, I've just got to remind you that aussiecharttrends.com.au and this video are for educational purposes only. Nothing stated at the site or in this video is intended to be used as any form of investment advice. I'm not a licensed professional. You need to make your own decisions regarding your investments. I'm just here to help anyone searching for a practical direction in today's markets. Alright, let's take a look at the daily chart here of Newcrest Mining. Now, in May of 2010, all the way through to September of 2011, we created this head and shoulders topping formation, where we had a left shoulder here, a head, and then a double right shoulder form. You could say that this was a symmetrical triangle top, and that the market also had broken down from that measurement. But anyway, the fact that the market actually broke down past this blue support level, what we did there is we measured the depth of the head down to the neckline, and then we just added that on to where the market broke down, which was exactly at this point here, and this was a minimum expected target from this pattern that you'd see Newcrest Mining go down to around the low 27s. Now, after achieving that target, Newcrest Mining has been coming down in this steep descending. Then finally, in May of 2012, we've seen the market break out of this descending channel and then come down to make a bottom here. Now, ever since, we've seen Newcrest create a little reversal inverted head and shoulders pattern, which its minimum expected target got met exactly. Then we've come back down in another small descending channel. Now, it's not as steep and as violent as this one that we've seen over here. If we take a look at the big picture, I've got these two green lines drawn, this descending green line and this descending green line here. So it looks that as if Newcrest Mining as a whole is coming down between these two descending channel lines. Now, you'll also notice that I've drawn this Fibonacci retracement from the top that we had over here, which was in September 19th of 2012, and that I've just pulled that Fibonacci line down to line up, and I'll just zoom in on this little area here. Newcrest has come down from that 100% Fibonacci level, and we were able to break through that $25 barrier there, and then we've seen Newcrest come all the way down and bottom around this 61.8 retracement level, around that 2150 level. Now, where do we go from here? Well, looking at the short term, with Newcrest, it looks as if I've drawn this blue neckline here. Now, it looks as if that Newcrest has created a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder that's formed. We've broke down. We had an intraday back test on this green candlestick here, and the market has started to head back down. So it is looking fairly bearish, guys, and the target from this little pattern here is still pointing to around that $18.50 level. So if Newcrest is going to come down to this level and take out this old low here, well, we would see then probably a move even lower down to the bottom of this 100% retracement level, down to around that $17 area. So I think with Newcrest Mining, just judging the charts, not the fundamental information, I'll leave the fundamentals up to you, but the chart is still saying that Newcrest Mining is going to go down. Now, at the end of the day, if we were to see a bullish pattern form here below this level, and Newcrest Mining was able to get back over this neckline here, well, you would then be looking for a reversal pattern if we were to close over that 2440 area, and if the market was able to stay above this line and also this retracement line of around that $25. But overall, this neckline here you'd think would serve as strong resistance because there was a number of buys, especially over in this section as well, which is roughly at the same levels. We just extend that line out, you get the overall idea there that there was a lot of people that have seen their stock go down now, and the market is rallying back up to where they bought, and they would be willing to break even, which may cause a bit of a sell-off. Alright guys, if you enjoy these updates, please just pop past my website at aussiecharttrends.com.au. Feel free to browse around. I do have a forum there, and it's only very small, but feel free to join. And you can also click at the top here to free Aussie 200 index videos. That will take you to my YouTube channel, and you can click the subscribe button there on YouTube, and you can receive free daily updates on the ASX 200 and also the S&P 500. So guys, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the forum.